Yeah, this is also called cyclic quadrilateral theorem. All right. So if a quadrilateral is inscribed in a circle, well, that means all of the four vertices should lie on the circumference of the circle. Then the sum of each pair of opposite angles is equal to 180 degrees. Let's say, for example, this is our circle. Troy, you let me know if I'm too fast, okay? Okay, let's say this is the quadrilateral. It's not that accurate. Okay, let's say that's the quadrilateral inscribed in a circle. Assuming this one, all of the four vertices should touch the circumference of the circle. All right, so the opposite angles, they just sum up to 180 degrees. So let's say this is angle A, B, C, D. Angle A here plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees, and angle B plus angle D is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, so let's answer the problems in your worksheet. Okay, so you're given here quadrilateral WXYZ. Yeah, and you are asked to find, what's that, angle. I cannot I cannot, what's this, move that one, the quadrilateral. So this is X, angle X, and this is W, which is 88 degrees, and this is Z, and this is Y, and Z is 112 degrees, and we need to find angle YXW. So angle YXW is this one, the one can you see me writing? Okay, this one I marked it blue. So this is angle YXW. This angle is opposite to angle Z. All right, so that means angle YXW and angle Z, which is 112 degrees, sum up to or add up to 180 degrees. So angle YXW is just equal to 180 degrees minus 112. So what is 180 minus 112? 68. All right, therefore this angle here is 68 degrees. Okay, you want to try the second one? Wait, let me draw that here. Okay, we have just assume this is the same as the same drawing in your paper. All right, so you have B, angle B, angle D, angle A, which is 77 degrees, and then angle C. So they should touch, the vertex should touch the circumference of the circle. So find angle ABD and angle BDC. Okay, Troy. Let's try Troy. Oh no, C is 80. Maybe I should just download that here. Angle ABD, which is angle B, is opposite to angle C, right? So that means angle B plus angle C is just equal to 180 degrees. So angle ABD plus angle C, which is 80 degrees, that is equal to 180 degrees. So angle ABD, what is the measure of angle ABD? Right. So angle ABD is just equal to 100 degrees or 100 degrees. How about angle BDC? So this is 100 degrees. BDC is this one. And we're given angle A. Angle A is 77. So since they are opposite angles, angle A plus angle BDC, what happened? Something's wrong with the life board. Is equal to 180 degrees. Yeah, there's something wrong with that. Alright, can you just clear the board, Troy? Now I'll just upload the problem here. Alright, can you see that? Okay, so for the first one, what was our answer again? Angle YXW, that is 180 minus 112. Alright, 180 minus 112, 68. This one is 68 degrees. Two angles. Angle X is opposite to angle Z, which is 112 degrees. Maybe you were supposed to be asked the measure of this one, this angle XYW. They just missed it, right, Troy? Because the rest of the problems you were asked for to solve for two angles. Okay, and for number 2, angle ABD, this one is just the opposite of angle C. So that means that is 180 degrees minus 80 degrees, which is 100. And then angle BDC, this one, is opposite to angle A, which is 77. So that is 180 minus 77. So what is 180 minus 77? Yeah, 103. And then for number 3, okay, you want to try angle QRS. So this one, what is the measure of angle QRS? It's QRS is 180 minus 88, right? Because angle QRS is opposite to angle P. So that means these angles add up to 180 degrees. Therefore, angle QRS is just 180 minus 88. So what is 180 minus 88? Okay, 92. So that means this is 92 degrees. Then now we are asked for PSR. This one, this angle here. PSR. And that is opposite to Q. Angle Q. So that means they add up to 180 degrees. So that is 180 minus 118 degrees. Right? So 180 minus 118. Is it 62 degrees? This one, 62 degrees. This is 100. This is 103. Okay, no questions on the 3 problems? You understood those? Yeah, I think they're pretty similar, the rest of the problems. Okay, let's solve number 4. Number 4, we have, okay, we're given angles E and angles E and F. So we find angle FGH, this one. Angle FGH is opposite to angle E, right? So that means they add up to 180 degrees. So this is just 180 minus 115. So what is 180 minus 115? Okay, so this is 65 degrees. And then the other angle GHE is opposite to angle F. So that means they also add up to 180 degrees. So this is just 180 degrees minus 98. Okay, what is 180 minus 98? 82. All right, we're on number 5. Okay, angle J, this one, angle GJI. So that one is opposite to angle H, right? So that means they add up to 180. So angle GJI is just equal to 180 degrees minus 84. So what is 180 minus 84? 96. Okay, so this is 96 degrees. And then the other angle JIH, this one, which is opposite to angle G. So they add up to 180 degrees. So this is 180 minus 81. So what is 180 minus 81? Okay, 99 degrees. So this is 99. Alright, so take note, when a quadrilateral is inscribed in a circle, their opposite angles, all of the vertices should touch the circumference of the circle, and the opposite angles add up to 180 degrees. Okay, can you try solving number 6 and the rest of the problem? If you can write on the board, Troy, or do you have a pen? Okay, 180 minus 108. Alright, that's correct. And then how about FHG? $82. Alright, that's correct. Because that is 180 minus 98. Then, for the next 2 problems. Oh, this one is different. Okay, let me... okay. The same method, the same way of solving, is just you're given here variables, right? So we're given here angles N, which is 4y plus 14, K 105, L 7x plus 11, and then M is 7x. Now we need to solve for x and y. Since we have 2 variables, so we need 2 equations. Okay, angle K plus angle M add up to 180 degrees, right? And then angle N plus angle L also add up to 180 degrees. Alright, so now we plug in the values of, okay, this is our first equation, this one, and this one is the second equation. So let's work on the first equation first. Okay, angle K is 105. Wow, the there's more space there, sorry. So angle K is 105. So 105 degrees. What is angle M? Okay, 7x. So we just plug that in here. So we can solve for the value of x. Okay, now to solve for the value of x, we subtract 105 from both sides. Okay? We solve this algebraically. Then we're left with 7x equals, what is 180 minus 105? 75. Yeah, we divide both sides by 7. So x is 10.71 degrees. Okay, then we work on the second equation, which is angle N and angle plus angle L. What is angle N? Okay, 4y plus 14 plus angle L, which is 7x plus 1, okay, equals 180 degrees. Because they are opposite angles, so they add up to 180 degrees. And now we can group like terms. We get rid of the parentheses. So this will become 4y plus 14 plus 7x plus 1 equals 180 degrees. Then we add 14 and 1. This would become 4y plus 7x plus 15 equals 180 degrees. Then we subtract 15 from both sides. Then we're left with 4y plus 7x. What is 180 minus 15? Okay, so this is 165 degrees. Now we have this equation, but we already got the value of x, which is 10.71. Alright? So we plug in, let me just delete this. Okay, we plug in the value of x here to our equation. 4y plus 7x equals 165. What is the value of x again? Yeah, 10.71 equals 165. Then we subtract both sides by 7 times 10.71 minus 7 times 10.71. Okay. Then we can solve for the value of y. 4y is equal to 165 minus 7 times 10.71. So what is 7 times 10.71? Okay, so 165 minus 75. Is that 75? 10.71 times 7. Okay, then 165 minus 75 is 89 or 90. Then divide by 4. So y is equal to, what is y? 22.5 degrees. Oh, 22.5 is not degrees. Here. 22.5. 90 divide 4 is 22.5. I think we solved it correctly because they should add up to 180. See? Angle K and angle M. So 105 plus 7x. So 180 minus 105. 180 minus 105 is 75. Then divide by 7. Yeah, I think we're on, we're good. We're on the right track. Alright, so that's how to solve it, Troy. Okay. Then the last one. You want to try it? You want to try it? Okay, let me delete this. Or you can take a screenshot of this. Okay. Try the last problem. You can try it. on your paper. Solve it on your paper. And then just let me know your answer. So that is, okay, 8x plus 18, 8x plus 8, 2y. You tell me the opposite angles. What are the opposite angles? Yes. Okay, and then the other one? Okay. Okay, try to solve them. Yeah, so x is equal to 8. How about the other one? Y. 54? Okay. So that is, let me check, 64 plus 8, then 180 minus that, divide by 2. Yes, you're right. Y is 54. Okay, you did it correctly. Let me look for some problems here. Okay, try this one. Let's say you're given this problem. Okay, and then with inscribed. Okay, that one. And then this is 105. And this one is 4x plus 14. I know 4y plus 14, sorry. 4y plus 14. Then the other one, this is 7x plus 1. And then, oh no, for a while. sorry. So this is 7x plus 1. Then this one is 7y plus 1. And the other one is 4y plus 14. So solve for x and y. So 105, 7x plus 1, then 7y plus 1, and 4y 14. Yeah, that's correct. So 10.57. Then for y, okay, what is the value of y? Huh? What did you get? 10. 7, 4y. I got 15. For x, you're correct. It's 10.57. But for y, that is 4y plus 14 plus 7y plus 1 equals 180, right? Yeah? Check your calculations. You thought it was x? Oh, it's 4. Okay. Sorry. So that is, you can calculate again. 11y plus 15 equals 180. Yeah, it's 15. That's correct. Very good. Okay, let me give you another one. So your lessons is only on quadrilaterals inscribed in a circle. Okay, just assume this touches, okay, the vertices of the quadrilateral touches the circumference of the circle. So this is 71 degrees and y, and this is x and 80. Then solve for x and y. Okay, that's correct. 109. Yeah, that's right. That's correct. Okay, let me give you another one. 5x plus 12, and this is, let's say, 118 degrees. And this one is 8y plus 10, and this one is 5, no, not 5. 2x plus 11y. Okay, solve for x and y. Alright, so what is the value of x? Okay, 10, that's correct. And for y, what did you get? 8. Okay, 180 minus 30 divide 19. Okay, I got 7.89, or you can round it off to 8, or just answer 7.89. Did you get exactly 8, or you got 7.89? Yeah, I think you're good. Troy, you don't have questions?